Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about the most important content optimization elements. Content optimization is the process of improving your website's content so that it is more likely to rank well in search results. Several elements can contribute to content optimization, but some of the most important include keyword research. Keyword research identifies the keywords people use to search for information on the internet. Once you have identified your target keywords, you can use them throughout your content to help improve your website's ranking. If you want to learn more about how to build keyword research, check the keyword research video. I added the link in the description box. Content length. The length of your content can also play a role in content optimization. In general, longer content tends to rank better than shorter content. However, it is important to ensure your content is still informative and engaging. The right length could be different from one page type to another. For example, if you are writing a blog article, try to keep the word count around 500 words, while if you are writing content for a product page, a word count between 100 to 150 words will be enough. Content quality. The quality of your content is also essential for content optimization. Your content should be well-written, informative, and engaging. It should also be relevant to your target audience. The content should be unique, relevant, and readable to ensure high-quality content. Content structure. The structure of your content can also affect its ranking. Your content should be well-organized and easy to read. It should also use clear and concise language. If you want to learn more about how to build your content structure, check the content structure video. I added the link in the description box. Internal linking. Internal linking is the process of linking different pages on your website together. Internal linking can help improve your website's navigation and make it easier for users to find the information they seek. It can also help improve your website's ranking by passing page rank between pages. If you want to learn more about internal linking best practices, check the internal linking video. I added the link in the description box. Page titles and meta descriptions. Page titles and meta descriptions are short snippets of text that appear in search results. They are important for content optimization because they can help users decide whether or not to click on your website's link. They should be clear, concise, and informative. They should also include your target keywords. If you want to learn more about page titles and meta description best practices, check the video I published earlier. I added the link in the description box. Image optimization. Images can be a great way to add visual interest to your content and improve its ranking. However, it is important to optimize your images for search engines. This means using relevant keywords in your image, alt text, and file names. If you want to learn more about image optimization, check the image optimization video. I added the link in the description box. Following these tips can improve your website's content optimization and help it rank better in search results. If you want to learn more about SEO, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch videos about technical, content, link building best practices, and more. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you around.